Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure power is stable. Charge the controller to at least 30% or insert fresh AA batteries, because low power breaks pairing. Turn on the Xbox console and sign into your profile so the system is ready. Now press the Xbox button on the controller until it lights. This wakes the device. Once done, you're ready to initiate a wireless sync or use a USB cable. The next slide shows the exact pairing actions and why each method matters. On the console, press the pair button so the console starts broadcasting a signal. Then immediately hold the controller pair button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the controller's Xbox button blinks rapidly. This means it's searching. You do this because both devices must be actively looking for each other to exchange their ID securely. Make sure you stay within 3 meters to avoid interference, and watch for the controller light to go solid. This confirms a successful link. Once the controller's Xbox button shows a steady light, press any button to confirm it controls the console. You might need to reselect your profile. If wireless pairing fails, plug a USB cable between the controller and console. This forces an immediate connection and updates firmware when available. If problems persist, reboot the console and re-attempt the pairing sequence, because a restart clears temporary radio or software glitches. One troubleshooting tip: remove.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.